that Grandpa's foot?
Yeah, no eggs though. All right.
Good job.
Good one. Oh,
Yay.
they're running the plant. Better check these other plants.
Careful.
Look, that plant's got eggs and tomatoes. What do you know?
I want more.
Yeah.
I want more.
Why do you like the eggs, Lucas?
I want more. I want more. Mommy.
You do?
Keep looking on
Oh, look around the fence some more. I see one.
Yes. This way.
Okay, let's go look.
Look, this way. I want this way.
You think there's some over there? Should I hold you up so you can look over the fence?
Yes.
Okay, Daddy will come hold you up. That'd take a really big Easter bunny to get him over there.
I don't see him either.
Huh.
Look close.
No, I want more. Cat.
This way? Yeah.
I want more.
No, I took all
Look,
around
come
the
get that one.
Oh no, did it go through now? What are you gonna do? Oh. To go in your, what are you in? Is this your rocket ship? Good job. That's not the one you went in for though, bud. He forgot his bag. Just toot. There's the cool ladybug eraser. Oh, your bag. Go get your bag.
Oh, let's look right here.
Good job, buddy. I know you do.
Hey, you have to look for him.